To fix a washer that's not draining, it's essential to identify the common causes of this issue, which include a faulty drain pump and a blocked drain hose. Troubleshooting is the first step to resolve the problem. Begin by checking the drain pump. Disconnect the washer from the power supply. Remove the lower kick panel to access the pump's compartment, and locate it at the right end of the washer. Test the pump's continuity. If it shows negative continuity, the pump is faulty and needs to be replaced. If the continuity is positive, inspect the conduits for blockages and clear them if necessary. Next, test the drain hose for any kinks, twists, or squashes that may be restricting the flow, and clear them as needed. Run water through the hose to check for clogs and unclog it if necessary. By following these steps, fixing a washer that's not draining can be a relatively simple process.